Hi, in front of me is Oukitel C33, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, and then click on the Home button to leave it open in the background. Now select the other one, and this time click on this square button. Now you need to decide which app you want to use at the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Then select Split Top from the list and tap on the other app. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!